Hi fam, Josiah here again with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to basically show you like 5 things I would do if I was going to start trading from scratch. As you all know, I am what self-taught, all right, trader. I trade crypto, forex, and synthetic indices. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you are going to what benefit a lot. But before I continue this video, I just want to what extend my appreciation, my gratitude. We are now what 10,000 subscribers. Okay, the family is going. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support. All right, so let's keep what pushing up, and I pray like we all succeed in this what trading journey. All right, so like basically if I was basically going to start trading all over again, all right, whatever, basically, like let's say I want to trade crypto, forex, or whatever market stocks. All right, so the first thing which I'll do is what, like education and research. I'll focus on education and research because like this is what very important. Like, why would I focus on this one? Like you need to know what the basic, whenever you are going to start something, like you always have to do research. Let's say you want to basically go to the university to study medicine, you want to study law, you need to like what, do your basic research to know the requirement, things that are involved and all that, right? So it is the same for what, trading. Okay, so you need to do what, your research, to know about what the basic stuff. What are this basic stuff? For example, let's say you want to basically know about what, forex. You need to know what is forex, all right, what is traded in the forex market, the people that are participating in the forex market. You need to know about what, candlestick, all right, you need to know about candlestick charts, candlestick pattern. You need to know about like support and resistance, those like what basic stuff, because they are going to basically like what, help you, all right, when you basically start, because you are like what, a complete beginner. You have like no knowledge, so you need to know all the basic. But the mistake which beginner basically make, they try to what, move way ahead, they are in speed. For me, like I was just like trying to know, okay, what is forex, how do I basically do this and all this, what is what lot size, how to basically calculate a pip. So if you basically want to know, if you are like what, a beginner, what I will ask of you, all right, is what, just exercise what, patient, take 3 hours, just 3 hours, or you can basically what, just like what, go slowly. I have a what, complete guide which is 3 hours course, forex for beginners. Okay, 3 hours course, forex for beginners. Make sure you watch that course. All right, maybe let's say you want to spend like 10 minutes a day, take note. All right, you write down from the beginning. I explain what is forex, what is like equity, what is margin call, what is stop loss, what is take profit, how to calculate a pip, and all those. These are what very important stuff for you to basically know as what, a beginner. It's not about just like jumping into the chat. You might just jump into the chat to start knowing about stuff, but it is what's very important. After knowing this basic, then you can now start moving toward technical analysis, how to basically analyze the market and all, where you have to talk about what support and resistance, you talk about what indicators, you basically talk about chart patterns, right? You talk about what other technical tools. So that's the first thing I will basically what do. I will research about what the market after the education and try to do all what my research. Then I will just like what, move to the next level. What is the second thing that I will basically do? All right, if I'm going to start all over again, the second thing I will basically do is what, to basically try to basically what, get what, a good trading plan. So I promised you guys from my previous video that I'm going to give you trading plan. A lot of you have been reaching out. I saw email, Instagram, and all that. So if you basically like want this particular trading plan, all right, all you need to do is like what, use the link in the description, join my Telegram group. You don't use any other link, because there are a lot of people that are currently using my name to scam people. I'll never request money from you, all right? I'm not doing no account management. Please note that if someone is requesting for account management, that's basically what, not me. So you need to have what, a solid trading plan. Where are you going, like like your goals, okay, your strategy. A trading plan must contain what your goal. You must be able to answer what, this question: why do you want to trade forex? Why do you want to start trading crypto, or whatever market you basically want to do? All right, it is what, very important for you to what, have a good trading plan. So when you know your why, that's like sometimes like it's going to be challenging. You're not going to win everything. Sometimes as a beginner you're going to what, blow up account. I believe like each and every professional trader, profitable trader you are seeing today, we all like what, pass through that phase. All right, I have like a lot of accounts that have blown up during the initial stage. So like you basically want to have what, a know your why. You need to have a good trading plan. After, within the trading plan, you also need a trading strategy. All right, there is no like perfect strategy. You just need to what, find the one that is working for you, stick to one, and try to like basically. The mistake which I basically did was I was moving from what, one strategy to another strategy, one strategy to another strategy, not knowing that it's either I'm not like trading at the right time, or I'm trading the wrong pair, which means the strategy is not working. I'm not giving the strategy time to basically what, play out. So that's another thing you need to what, keep in mind. So you basically also, when it comes to a trading plan, you also have to do with what, risk management. How much, what, let's say you have a $10 account, how much are you ready to risk? Let's say you are risking $1. So your risk to reward, let's say you are risking $1, you are ready to make what, $2, $3, $4. So you need to know the amount of money you are risking per trade. So this all should be within what, your trading plan. Okay, your goal, your strategy, all right, and what, your risk management is supposed to be part of your trading plan. So this is basically what I'm going to share with you guys. Just join what, a Telegram group, Joseph Say Concept. Okay, but make sure you use the link, because people are basically using what, my face and my name to basically open. All right, or you can reach me by Instagram or Facebook at Joseph Say Concept. My account are the one that I want to verify with the blue tick. Okay, so that's the second thing I'll do. The third thing I'll do if I'm going to start trading again is what, to start what, with a demo account, which from the first thing I already know what, saying that I already know what, the basics. Okay, I know the basic already about what is this and that, support, resistance, what is this, and I have now what, a trading plan. I'll now what, try to implement my trading plan. That is by what, the third one is what, having what, a demo account. What is a demo account? A demo account is what, an account which your broker provides to you. You cannot trade the market. Like, let's say you're in Africa, you want to what, trade the forex market. So you need to what, have a broker. A broker is what, a third party, a firm that connects you to what, the forex market. If you basically want to use the broker which I'm using to create your demo account, just click the first link in the description. You are going to see what, best forex broker for beginner. I will recommend you basically use that, and all right, create your demo account. You can basically also check my playlist, MT4 MT5 playlist, to basically know how to create and verify what's your different account. Okay, whether you want to trade crypto, forex, or indices, you can basically use the link. Thanks for supporting. When you use the link, I basically do make money through affiliates as well. All right, it's a way of what, saying thank you and supporting the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. So you need to what, use a demo account. Practice with demo account. My only problem with demo account is I don't want to like spend lot of time. I spend what, a lot of time like doing what, demo account also. Okay, with doing demo account. So you might like say what you might ask, Josao, which like what time should I take? You just need to go very slowly. Like for me, I would say like give yourself a month and just try to what, work on what, your strategy. Make sure you focus on what particular strategy, work on that particular strategy, because it's going to what, help you out a lot. Okay, that's the third thing which you basically what, need to do. All right, the fourth thing which I'll do if I'm going to start all over again with trading, all right, is basically what, to start small. Yes, I need to start small. I was like, after doing my demo stuff and all, I basically just try to open real accounts. You don't need to like you need to use what, the demo account. You need to go what, very slow, start very small, not like to deposit your $50 knowing that you are going to lose the money. If you have $50, you can just what, deposit what, $10, and you try to trade. If you blow, you know that's what you have remaining on what, $40. All right, if you have $10, you deposit your $10 and you go very slowly. Make sure you use what, small lot sizes. Don't try to what, basically like try to flip account when you are just a beginner. You need what, the skill. Not because people are basically doing flipping and all that, you think like also you are capable. Yes, you are capable when you have the right knowledge, but it's too early for you to basically do that. So if I was going to start again, I was basically going to start very small. After doing my demo account, the first stage now is what, I'll just deposit like small amount, like $10 $20. A particular amount that which I'm going to deposit. If I lose the money, it's not going to affect me. All our advice is, don't ever put your what, money that you have for use into what, trading, whether for school fee, for rent, for emergency and all that. Make sure you basically what, avoid all those stuff. Don't deposit short amount of money, all right, because trading can be what, is very risky. There's no like 100% guarantee that when you deposit money, you are going to basically what, make this money. Okay, then after you have basically like what, done all this one, the last thing which I'll do, all right, if I was going to start trading again, number 5 thing is what, to what, journal. What do I mean journal? To take note of what, all my trade. Let's say for example I'm trading ZAO USD. All right, ZAO XAU USD is basically what, and all right, the economy for what, gold. Okay, gold dollar. So now what I'll basically do is, right, I'm gonna write what XAU, then I will write what the entry price. What price did I enter? All right, and what price did I what close? Did I win that trade? Did I lose that trade? Where did I set my take profit? Where did I set my stop loss? Journaling is what's very important. It's going to know, like, it's going to help you to what, know the where you are making mistake and where you need to work on things, the things that are working for you and the things that are not working for you. It's going to basically, let's say you are trading what in ZAO USD and you are making more money with that, so which means you are going to pay more attention because you are trying to understand what that particular what market class, instead of, like, let's say you are trading ZAO USD and you are trading Bitcoin, you are making more loss in Bitcoin, but you are winning gold. So with a trading plan, you can just basically write everything by the week. You look how many trades did I win and all that. Which strategy did I use? How many profit did I hit? How many stop loss did I hit? It's going to give you what more details. All right, it's going to basically give you more details. So guys, if I was going to start trading, these are the 5 things that I would basically like what do again. I believe if you are currently on your journey as a new trader, if you follow this step, I believe like it's going to basically help you a lot. All right, let me know if you basically find value, all right, in this particular video, and drop what some videos that you basically want me to make. The crypto guys are saying that have not been uploading what videos about crypto. So for the month of August, you are going to be seeing back to back what crypto, forex, and synthetic indices what tutorials. All right, I appreciate the support, guys. Let's keep going, and we are going to win together. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.